today we will start our new chapter, pair of linear equations in two variables. Clear? Now, as you learned in your previous class, in 9th class, linear equation. Can anybody tell me what is linear equation? Yes, raise your hand. Yes, Sushant.
Ma'am, equation that have highest degree of 1.
In equation in which the degree of variable is 1. Degree, highest degree नहीं बोलते, highest power होती है. Highest power means degree. So, equation in which power of the variable is 1 is called the linear equation. So, we can write any equation, start writing any equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is a linear equation in two variables. Here two variables are present, x and y, where a and b cannot be equal to 0. Cannot be equal to 0. So here in 10th we will learn pair. Pair means two, means 9th में हमने सिर्फ एक ही linear equation के बारे में पढ़ा था. Now we will study about pair of linear equations. Pair, it means there are two equations of the type a1 x plus b1 y plus c1 is equal to 0. This is the first, and the second one is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is the pair of linear equation in two variables. Note down this. यहाँ पे लिख लेना where a and b are real numbers and cannot be equal to 0. Here where a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 are real numbers. Next is geometrical representation of linear equation in two variables. We are studying geometrical representation of linear equation in two variables. Now, can anybody tell me what kind of graph does linear equation in one variable has? One variable or two variable, not pair, simple a linear equation. का graph किस type का होता है?
Straight.
It is a straight line. Clear? तो अगर हम पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन की बात करेंगे, दो इक्वेशंस है तो दो स्ट्रेट लाइन बन जाएंगी. सिंपल. अगर एक लीनियर इक्वेशन है तो उसकी एक स्ट्रेट लाइन बनेगी. दो लीनियर इक्वेशंस है तो उसकी दो स्ट्रेट लाइन बन जाएंगी. वो स्ट्रेट लाइन इंटरसेक्टिंग भी हो सकती है, पैरेलल भी हो सकती है. ये भी हो सकता है कि एक लाइन के ऊपर ही दूसरी आ जाए, कोइंसिडेंट. ठीक है. सो राइट डाउन graph of linear equation in two variables is a straight line graph of pair of linear equation in two variables will be a straight line, और ये will be a two straight lines, will be a two straight lines. और वो lines कैसे हो सकती हैं? Both lines intersect, both lines intersect, हो सकता है दोनों lines आपस में intersect करें like this. Here, this is the intersecting point. Second case हो सकता है both lines are will not intersect but they are parallel. Both lines will not intersect that is they are parallel. Like this. Suppose ये ग्राफ के एक्सेस हैं, दोनों लाइंस इस तरह आ जाए, लाइन 1, लाइन 2, and the third one is both lines coincident. Both lines will be coincident. Means suppose this is the axis, एक लाइन ये आ गई, उसी के ऊपर दूसरी लाइन. Note down this. First question is Aftab tells his daughter, means there are two persons, one is Aftab and daughter. First of all, let us take, let present age of Aftab is X. Let present age of Aftab is X and present age of daughter is equal to Y. Clear? Next is 7 years ago. 7 years ago. 7 years ago means 7 साल पहले. Age of आफ्ताब की कितनी होगी? X minus 7 years. And age of daughter. Age of daughter is Y minus 7 years. Clear? Next line is 7 years ago. यहाँ पर question complete हो गया. I was 7 times as old as you were then. आफ्ताब कह रहा है कि I was 7 times. Means according to the question, आफ्ताब्'s age is 7 times the age of his daughter. Clear this equation? Now we will simplify it. X minus 7 is equal to 7y minus 49. इसको ax plus by plus c की फॉर्म में बना लेंगे. 7y इधर आके माइनस हो जाएगा. minus 7 plus 49 is equal to 0. राइट हैंड साइड को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड शिफ्ट कर लिया. Then x minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0. This is your first equation. Any doubt regarding this equation? You can ask. Now the second part of the question is also 3 years from now, means from present say after 3 years. After 3 years, age of Aftab. After 3 years from now, age of Aftab is X plus 3 years and age of his daughter is Y plus 3 years. Y plus 3 years. Again, according to the question, according to question, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. आफ्ताब कह रहा है कि जो मेरी एज होगी after 3 years will be 3 times y plus 3. Now solve this equation. X plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 9. So x minus 3y plus 3 minus 9 equal to 0. So x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. This is your second equation. So we have these two linear equations. For first, let x go left hand side रहने दो, rest on the right hand side by 7y minus 42. You can do vice versa. Then x minus 3y is equal minus 6 equal to 0. So x is equal to 3y plus 6. Now solutions find out करने के लिए हम y की वैल्यू पुट करते जाएंगे, corresponding हमें x की वैल्यू पता चल जाएगी. Suppose if y is equal to 7, 7 into 7 49, 49 minus 42 is 7. Next is suppose y is equal to 6. 7 into 6 42, 42 minus 42 is 0. Next suppose the value of y is 8. 56, 56 minus 42 is equal to 14. We get three values. Next, for the next equation, x is equal to 3y plus 6. Suppose y is equal to 0. So corresponding value of x is equal to 6. Suppose y is equal to 1, then x is 9, y is 2, then value of x is 12. आप यहाँ पे पुट करते जाना, y को 0 पुट किया, 6 आ गया, 1 किया, 3 into 1 3, 3 plus 6 9, y is equal to 2, 3 into 2 6, 6 plus 6 में हो गए 12. Clear? You can note down these solutions. After that we will draw the graph of the equation. Graph plot करने के लिए all are positive. आपको इस तरह x-axis must mention x-axis on horizontal axis and y-axis on vertical line. You have suppose I am choosing the scale of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You can choose according to yourself, according to your values. On y-axis also 2, 4, 8, 10 and 12. Maximum value here it is 14. So up to 14. Clear? Now first is when y-x is 7, y is 7. 7, 4 और 6 का center point होगा. 7 on this line and 7 on, यहाँ पे 6 miss हो गया, 6, 8 and 10. y is 7, x is 7. 7 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 6 और 8 के बीच में. यहाँ भी 6 और 8 के बीच में 7, दोनों की corresponding point यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 7, 7. Next is 0 and 6. X is 0 means it lies on y-axis. X is 0, y is 6. ये point आ जाएगा. You have to write the coordinates 7, 7, 0, 6. Next is x is 14 and y is 8. ये point आ जाएगा इसका. X is 14, y is 8. Like this, we will plot all the 3 points and then with scale join these 3 points. It should be a straight line. अगर straight line नहीं बनेगी, it means there is a problem in your solutions. इस तरह straight line बनाने के बाद आपने उस line के ऊपर लिखना है कि ये line किस equation को represent कर रही है. This line represent x minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0. Clear? Now similarly, we will plot the another points. X 6, y 0. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा point. This point is 6, 0. Second is x9, y1. x9, y1. ये आ जाएगा point. 9 आएगा 8 और 10 के बीच में. 1 is 0 and 2. 9, 1. Last is 12, 2. 9, 1 यहाँ पे लिख रही हूँ. 12 and 2. ये आ जाएगा point 12 and 2. Again join these points with the help of scale. This is a straight line, तो आपको इनके ends पे arrow जरूर डालना. ठीक है, line है ये. इस तरह इसको ज्वाइन कर देंगे. Now you can check this, these two lines represent these two equations. इसके ऊपर लिखो this line represent x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. क्लियर. इसी तरह आपने ग्राफ प्लॉट करना है. यू मस्ट राइट डाउन द स्केल. अब आपको पता है कि स्केल कैसे लेना है. एंड आल्सो राइट डाउन दी what x-axis represent and what y-axis represent. X-axis represent the age of Aftab and the y-axis represent the age of daughter. Clear? और स्केल जैसे लिखते हैं. अब on both axis, इसमें दोनों पे सेम है. On both axis 10 small divisions is equal to 2. You all are familiar how we will write the scale. Now, any doubt regarding this you can ask. Question number 2 is, the coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Later she buys another bat, only one, and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1,300. Represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. Clear? Now here it is, the cost is given. So let us suppose the cost of one bat is equal to x. Let cost of, write down side by side, cost of one bat is equal to x and cost of one ball is equal to y. Clear? So here 3 bats are there. So according to the question,
Ma'am, board is not visible.
oh wait, sorry. Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let cost of one bat, I am repeating, cost of one bat is equal to x and cost of one ball is equal to y. So according to the question, it is given that 3 bats and 6 balls. One bat की cost अगर x है तो 3 bats की कितनी हो जाएगी? 3x. Cost of one ball is equal to y. So cost of y 6 balls is equal to 6y, and this total cost is equal to rupees 3,900, which is given in the question. Similarly, later she buys another bat, only one bat, so only x. एक bat की cost कितनी है? x, and 3 more balls. 3 balls, one ball की cost y, so 3 की कितनी हो जाएगी? 3y, and which is equal to rupees 1,300. This is your equation number 1 and this is your equation number 2. We will rewrite first equation. 3 common आ जाएगा यहाँ से. X plus 2y is equal to 3,900. So x plus 2y is equal to 3 divide हो जाएगा उधर जाके 1,300. This is your first equation and this is your second equation. X plus 3y is equal to 1,300. From here you have to find. Now this is a representation of linear equation algebraically. Geometrically, graphically आपको graph बनाने हैं दोनों के. For that you have to find the values separately. From here let x is equal to 1,300 minus 2y, and here x is equal to 1,300 minus 3y. Clear? Suppose here you have taken the values. You can choose the values yourself. जरूरी नहीं वो सबकी same हो, तो आपको ग्राफ अपने accordingly बनाना है. You have to plot the graph of these two equations. Clear?